What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video in the Yoshi Strike. Now you can see this thing was definitely going to get used during the season this next year in 2026 my opinion, because it did get used back in 2025. I was really surprised this thing got used in 2025 of this year, you can see, but this thing I'm going to use again next year in 2026, which I always only got one shot because that one was broken and then the other one was just dicey. But look at this thing, I mean you can see how much I expected this thing, like it could just it's pretty what I expected. This thing's like it just definitely looks pretty nice, my opinion. So you can see, it's definitely what it is exactly. So it definitely will get used again next year in 2026, my opinion. But the only problem is that you see this one is exactly is what how we expected this thing exactly. You see, because I do like this RC shark, my opinion, because you see how much I expected this thing. Because if you look at the detail on the shark here, exactly as you can see, it comes with a charger. It comes with the batteries is already included, so you have to charge it before you use it for the first time. And you don't know how much I expected this thing, you can see, because this is actually what looks pretty much what I expected this thing, which it's definitely what it is on this machine cycle, just definitely looks pretty nice, my opinion. So definitely this thing will definitely get used next year in 2026, my opinion. But you see how much I expected this thing cycle, just definitely looks pretty nice. And you see it's got off and on and automatic, which is definitely what we expected this thing cycle, just definitely looks very nice. So this thing will definitely get used again next year in 2026, which it's not a big deal in my opinion. But you see how much I expected this thing cycle, just definitely will get used again next year in 2026.